topic complementary function. We call it as CF or VF. Simplified form of the linear differential equation is f of dy is equal to f of x. Put f of d is equal to 0 for complementary function. First rule is that roots are real and not repeated, means m1 and m2 are two roots. If they are not repeated, then our CF, that is a complementary function, is equal to c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x. Then rule second, roots are real and repeated, means what? m1 is equal to m2, means CF is equal to e raised to m1x in brackets c1 plus c2x. Then third rule, if the roots are complex and imaginary, then not repeated, that is alpha plus or minus beta r, means CF is equal to e raised to alpha x in bracket c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Then rule fourth is that if roots are complex and repeated, that is alpha plus or minus beta and alpha plus or minus beta, that is two roots, means CF is equal to e raised to alpha x in bracket c1 plus c2x bracket complete cos of beta x plus in bracket c3 plus c4x bracket complete sin of beta x. Let us start with our first example. D square plus 4d plus 4 in bracket complete y is equal to x square. Our simplified form of linear equation is that f of d into y is equal to f of x. For complementary function, we put f of d is equal to 0. So d square plus 4d plus 4 is equal to 0. Then factorize it. D square plus 2d plus 2d plus 4 is equal to 0. So d plus 2 plus 2 in bracket d plus 2 bracket complete is equal to 0. So d plus 2 bracket complete d plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore d is equal to minus 2 and d is equal to minus 2. There are two roots, minus 2 and minus 2. Roots are same and they are repeated and real. So our CF, that is a complementary function, is equal to e raised to minus 2x in bracket c1 plus c2x. Second example, d square plus d plus 1 into y is equal to x square plus 1. Here, simplified form is that f of d into y is equal to f of x. Put f of d is equal to 0. So f of d is equal to 0. So d square plus d plus 1 is equal to 0. Here d is equal to, we have the formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So d is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1, a into c means 4 into 1 into 1 upon 2 into a. So minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 minus 4 upon 2. Here minus 1 plus or minus under root of minus 3 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 3 into I, means under root of minus 1 is equal to I. So under root of 2. Therefore d is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 3i upon 2. D is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus or minus under root of 3 upon 2 into I. Means our alpha is minus 1 upon 2 and our beta is under root of 3 upon 2. So CF is equal to e raised to minus 1 upon 2 means alpha into x in bracket c1 cos of beta x means under root of 3 upon 2 into x plus c2 sin of beta x means under root of 3 upon 2 into x. Third example, d cube plus d square minus d minus 1 bracket complete is equal to 0. So how we find the root? this method. Put d is equal to, if d is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So first root is d is equal to 1. So put the coefficient of d here. And then first root is d is equal to 1. So put d is equal to 1 here. 1 as it is. 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. And minus 1 plus 2, 1. And 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, that is a 0. Means here d square, 3 coefficient. So d square plus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0. So d plus 1 square is equal to 0. Therefore d is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. So we get the roots are 1 and minus 1 minus 1. So CF is equal to C1 e raised to x means 1 plus, here the roots are repeated, so minus x in bracket C1 plus C2x.